Hi guys, welcome to today's edition. So today we'll be teaching you guys how to install this beautiful website, WhatSender. WhatSender is a WhatsApp marketing platform that sends messages to thousands of contacts at once without typing each. Useful for marketing, and it automatically replies your customers. Yeah, WhatSender is a beautiful bulk server sender. So, and it also has SaaS. It has SaaS in it. So let's move to the installation of the website. So firstly, you already know you should have your domain and your database. I've created my domain and I've created my database already. Yeah, this is where I created my database. I have my database already. So when you purchase the file, automatically you get your license code, and from there you create your domain. So now let's move on now to our cPanel here. So let's search for file manager. Yeah, yeah, while it loads. Yes, so move to the click on the domain. Yes, click on your domain. This is my domain. Yeah, click on it. Yes, so I already have the zip file here already. I already have the zip file. Don't forget that if whenever you want to upload your file, you upload the zip file. So from there, the first thing now after we have our zip file is to click on it, then right click, then we're going to extract. Can you see? I'm going to extract. Yes, extract files. So while it loads, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, comment, and share. And if you need the full installation, you have to contact us through these details on your screen. So moving on, yes, close. Yes, since it has been extracted, now if you wish, you can delete this zip file. Can you see, because of the space? So go into the file, the WhatSender file, and select all. Then we're going to move it back to our root folder. Yes, don't forget, I'm going to move everything back to our root folder. Yes, move files. Yeah, can you see? So you click on up one level, that's to go back. Yes, can you see, everything now is back to our root folder. So now let's go live. Let's check our website. So now how you do that, your domain, open a new tab and type your domain. This is mine. Yes, good. Can you see everything has been marked green? Just make sure your hosting has access to the website. So let's move on. Next, yes, the license code after you purchase. Yes, so now we have to enter the database connection credentials. So what's your site name? Don't forget, you already know our site name is WhatSender. Yes, WhatSender. Then you leave this connection driver, leave it as MySQL. Localhost, leave it also like that, and the database port 3306, leave it like that. So since you've created your database, you should I'm sure you have your username and your password. Now this is my username and password. So I'm going to copy it. Yes, copy, then paste here, also. Then go copy our password. You copy, I will paste here also. Yes, submit and next. It's loading. Can you see? Congratulations, installation is complete. Yes, so can choose anyone, either to go into the login to admin or go to the main site. So let's go to the admin first. Let's see. Can you see? So create account, you create account, sign up. Can you see? This is the admin page. So while you can, let's go back and let's go to the users page and see, let's go to the main site. Yeah, can you see? Yeah, what a beautiful website. WhatSender is a bulk website. I can send messages to thousands of contacts at once without without manually typing anything. It is also used for marketing, as you all know, and automatically replies your customers. It's a very beautiful website, and I'm sure this is what you benefit from, and you also like. For full installation, don't forget, you can get through us. You can contact us through these details on your screen. So thanks for that. So that's all for today. Bye. Bye bye.